The British Industrial Revolution, which happened from the late 18th to early 19th century, was a major turning point when Britain shifted from farming-based economies to bustling industrial and urban ones. This period was marked by a wave of technological innovations, increased production, and significant social changes that laid the groundwork for modern society. It also sparked movements that would change the course of history around the globe, influencing trade, politics, and culture. During this time, several groundbreaking inventions changed the game. For example, James Hargreaves invented the spinning jenny, which massively sped up yarn production in the textile industry. This not only made textiles more affordable, but also paved the way for mass production. Another major player was James Watt, who improved the steam engine, allowing factories and transport systems to run efficiently. These inventions weren't just cool gadgets, they were vital to economic growth and urbanization. People have different views on the Industrial Revolution. Supporters argue it led to amazing progress, raising living standards and creating new jobs. Critics, on the other hand, point out the harsh realities. Factory working conditions were often terrible, child labor was rampant, and the environment took a hit. There's a lively debate about whether the benefits outweighed these social costs. With rapid industrialization came significant challenges like increased pollution and a growing gap between the wealthy and the working class. These issues sparked early labor movements and reform efforts, pushing for better conditions and rights for workers. This era laid the groundwork for important conversations about labor laws and social justice. Understanding the British Industrial Revolution is crucial for grasping how we got to where we are today. It sets the stage for discussions about influential individuals and movements, the spread of industrialization to other countries, and innovations that still impact us now. By studying this period, we can better appreciate how past advancements shape our current and future lives. Key figures played a huge role in the Industrial Revolution, driving the changes that reshaped economies and societies. These weren't just inventors, they were visionaries who recognized the potential of new technologies. Two standout figures were James Watt and Richard Arkwright. Watt's enhancements to the steam engine allowed factories to operate more flexibly, while Arkwright, known as the father of the Industrial Revolution, developed the factory system with his water frame spinning machine. This revolutionized the textile industry and set the standard for future manufacturing. While many celebrate their contributions to industrial growth and technological advancement, there are criticisms too. The rapid changes they inspired also led to serious social challenges, such as labor exploitation and environmental issues. The innovations and ideas from this era didn't just impact industry, they transformed society, changing living conditions and social dynamics. Understanding the contributions and the debates around these key figures gives us a clearer picture of how the Industrial Revolution shaped our world and continues to influence modern industry and society today. The British Industrial Revolution was marked by significant technological advancements that changed everything. Major innovations drove industrialization, enhancing production and efficiency. One of the most pivotal innovations was the steam engine, especially Watt's improvements, which allowed factories to operate away from rivers, boosting productivity. Another major leap came from the mechanization of the textile industry, thanks to the spinning jenny and Arkwright's water frame. These machines increased production and marked the start of mass manufacturing. However, these innovations didn't come without issues. As factories grew, fears arose about job loss and poor working conditions, leading to protests from groups like the Luddites, who resisted the machines they believed threatened their livelihoods. This highlighted the ongoing struggle to balance technological progress with the well-being of workers. These innovations also triggered urbanization, as cities expanded to accommodate workers and factories. This shift altered demographics and social structures. They also set the stage for future scientific and economic developments that would shape the world. In summary, the technological innovations of the British Industrial Revolution were critical drivers of change that had a profound impact on society and the economy. While they posed challenges and sparked debate, their role in shaping the modern world is undeniable. Understanding these innovations helps us see the complex relationship between technology and progress. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more videos from Reality Juice.